Hi everyone. Today our discussion topic is ledger. Ledger is basically developed after journal. First of all, we have to develop journal, and sometimes journal is always already given, and we have to develop ledger on the base of the given journal. So, what is the difference between ledger and journal? Journal has all the entries of all the accounts, and there is no specific account in the journal. And on the other hand, the ledger is basically specific to certain account. For example, cash has a separate ledger, account receivable has separate ledger, purchases has separate ledger, sales has separate ledger, etc. So first of all, we have to develop the ledger of cash, then capital, then purchases, then sales, then discount receivable. Aslam, Arif, Ahmad, Aslam. मतलब each and every person, each and every account should be dealt separately. Okay. Here we have a journal given. Journal is given. So we are going to find the ledger of first of all cash account, then capital, then furniture, then purchase, then sales, and so on. Okay. So first of all, we develop the ledger of cash. So cash, what is ledger? We have to see this is the perform of ledger. First of all, we have to see that how many time cash has been debited and how many time cash has been credited. So in detail column, we write the reason why cash is debit, and we write the reason here why cash is credited. Okay. So first of all, we can see that clearly see that cash is debit due to capital by 1 lakh. Okay. So detail January 1. So 1 in detail we write the reason of why cash is debit due to capital account. Okay. 1 lakh. Next cash is credit due to furniture account. Okay. So here in detail column we write furniture, and in credit column we write the amount of cash 2000. Next entry is cash is credited due to purchases account of 60,000. Okay, purchases. So cash is credited due to purchases 60,000. Okay. Next is cash is debit due to sales 80,000. Due to sales 80,000. Next is cash is credited due to salaries 10,000. 10,000 cash is credited due to salaries 10,000. So this is the ledger of cash. First of all, we have to calculate the total amount of both debit and credit sides, and we write the bigger amount to both of the sides. 1 lakh 80,000 is the total, and 60,000, 10,000, and 20,000 it becomes 80 and 90,000. So this side is bigger than this one, so we write bigger amount on both of the side, 1 lakh 80,000 and 1 lakh 80,000. So we have to find balance BD and balance CD. Balance brought down and balance carried down. The bigger side which has bigger balance will have balance BD, and the smaller side will have balance CD. Balance BD will be written beyond the total amount, and balance CD will be written above the total amount, because balance BD is used in the next month's accounting journal or accounting ledger. Okay. So how we find balance BD and balance CD? We will subtract this amount, this total amount, from this larger amount from the smaller amount. So 60,000, 20, 80,000 and 90,000. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90,000. Okay. So balance CD and balance BD is 90,000. This is the ledger of cash. Next we will develop the ledger of capital. Okay. Respectively, capital ledger. Capital is credit due to cash. We make the performer date description debit, date description credit, date description debit, date detail credit. Okay. So capital is credited by cash. So reason is cash by 1 lakh. 1 2 3 4 5. Next we see that capital is never used in any entry. Okay, so capital is used once. So what we have to do, we have to find the total amount. 1 2 3 4 5. Here the total debit amount 1 lakh. So here is no amount, here is 1 lakh. So balance CD will be 1 lakh and balance BD will be 1 lakh. Why we write balance CD 1 lakh? Because we have to take the complete 1 lakh rupees here to in order to balance the total amounts of debit and credit sides. Okay, this is the ledger of capital. Now we make the ledger of furniture. Date, description, debit, date, description, credit. Date, description, debit, date, detail, credit. Okay, so we are going to find that make the ledger of furniture. Furniture is debited due to cash by 20,000. And next we can see that furniture is not used in any of the next entries. Okay, so we find the total amount 20,000, both of the sides 20,000. We write total over here, total over here. So we have to take whole 20,000 from debit side to the credit side. So balance CD will be 20,000 and balance BD will be 20,000. Okay, now we make the ledger of after furniture we have cash, but we have already made the ledger of cash, so we won't use it again. Purchases, next is ledger of purchases. Okay, so ledger of purchases. Date, description, debit, date, description, credit. Date, debit, detail and date. Okay, now ledger of purchases. You can see that purchase is debited due to cash of 80,000. Okay, purchase debited due to cash 80,000. Next purchase is not used in any of the entries, so we find the total over here. Total. So we will take the whole total to the debt side to balance. Balance CD will be 80,000 and balance BD will be 80,000. Okay, so I make it easy for you people. Purchases has been done, so cash has been done. Now we have to make the ledger of sales and we have to make the ledger of salaries. These two are only used once. Their ledger will be similar as we make the ledger of purchases, as we make the ledger of capital, because they are used once. So these two are basically very easy. I hope you can do it. If you have any problem in this question, you can ask me in the comment section and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.